Apple announced a new leather portfolio for iPhone X, which will be released tomorrow. It's a $99 leather phone case that was tanned and finished especially in Europe. The box has an outer flap to cover and protect the screen. Apple also announced red versions of the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus today. When you purchase a device or accessory from the red product, an unspecified percentage of the funds will go to grants from the Global Fund for HIV and AIDS. The grants focus on preventing mothers from transmitting the virus to their babies. Last year, Apple also launched a red model of the iPhone 7, which was also associated with charity against HIV and AIDS. However, in China, the red brand was notably absent, and the phones had just been marketed as red phones, not to mention HIV or AIDS donations. Analysts at the time speculated that the omission was due to the government's sensitivity on the issue of HIV. The red models of the iPhone 7 were discontinued worldwide once the newest iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus were available. These new red devices and accessories have yet to reach China, but it would be worth watching if the red brand follows the products this time.